Hello dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to highlight the entire row in Microsoft Excel. So let's make a worksheet. Serial number, name, address and age. Okay, let me highlight them. Make a series of numbers and then simply drag it down to row number 10, okay, or as you wish. Okay, this is ready. Now go to the developer tab and then view code. We are going to write the code in worksheet selection change event. Okay, so let's take a variable that could be ABC, anything. I'm going to take it K. For K equals 2 to 10, and if sheet 1 dot cells K is for row here, which is from 2 to 10, and we have the age in column D. Okay, so if it is greater than or equal to 25, then sheet 1 dot rows K dot interior dot color index equals 3 is for red color, else copy and paste the same. Okay, copy this and paste it here and then make it 2 is for white color, and if next. Okay, now let's check if this is working. If it is, I have to click anywhere on my sheet. This is going to change the selection. Okay, subber function not defined, else spelling is not correct. Okay, else, now it's okay. Close it. Okay. Oh, this is 28, which is greater than 25. Let me make this 26. It is highlighted. 29. This is highlighted. If I lower the age like 22, it's not highlighted anymore. It's 20, not highlighted, and it's like 12, not highlighted. So I hope you understand that, and if you still had any problem or you couldn't understand the code, you can write in comments. I'm going to explain it to you in a simple way. Thanks for watching.